Guys, John the firearms instructor, and I want to welcome you to our interactive range. I want to kind of show you how to get into the system. You're going to download an app on your phone. Whether you have an Android or an iPad, an iPhone, it doesn't really matter. Both these here. Once you've downloaded that app, then you're going to hit sign up or mobile login. Mobile login is very simple. You take your app, it'll go to pairing, and you hit pairing, and basically you're there. Simple and easy. It's not hard to do. Once you've done that, it puts your name up top. And then from there, you're going to be getting credit for the points that you earn. And what it can do for you is the company, Evolved Range Solutions, has a tournament each month, and the tournament winner gets a coin, gets a certificate. It's a pretty cool company. They are our main sponsor on our YouTube channel. A great weekend. We had a lot of people loving it. They all loved everything. But I wanted to kind of show you, once you're in the system, it's pretty simple and easy. It doesn't really matter. You can go categories. There's training, there's video targets, and there's static. So each one's a little different. Static targets are just like paper targets, but the only difference is when you impact the target, you're going to see a mark. Not only you see a mark down there, a red mark down there, but you're physically going to see a mark on your target. Now your static targets themselves can be in all different colors and areas like that. So you can do all that stuff. You want to get out of this. Anytime you're anywhere, you can quit. Go to the thing with your bowling pins. You can knock down bowling pins. It's pretty simple and easy, guys. I would love to get you down here and give it a try. We're at 918 Southeast 14th Avenue in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Come experience the most fun you'll have at the range. No more paper targets, no more mess, no more staplers, just interactive fun. Come down, enjoy it. I think you will. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line defense. We'll see you soon.